Anytime I think of pasta, all I think about are the Italians. Hi, family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button. So, fam, today we're going to be doing spaghetti bolognese. Let's get right into the recipe. So, fam, the first thing we're going to be doing is to boil our spaghetti. Put some water in a pot, add about 1 teaspoon of salt and just a drop of olive oil, and let the pasta cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. So, fam, if your spaghetti is longer than your pot, a trick I learned is just to take a little bit of it and just gently stir the water with it. It's gonna shrink and be able to fit your pot. Comment down below what country you're coming from and what meal is generally attributed to your country. So fam, now that spaghetti is ready, let's go ahead and do our bolognese sauce. So what you need to do is to fry your onions, basil and garlic and cook until golden brown, then add your ground beef. You could use ground pork or even sausage, whatsoever you have handy. So fam, after putting in your beef, don't forget to put in some salt and some seasoning cube. Once your beef has cooked for about 15 minutes, go ahead and add your marinara sauce, or you could add tomatoes, whatsoever you have handy. I had marinara sauce, so that's what I'm using, and then stir and let it cook for another 15 minutes. One of the last things we're going to be adding in this recipe is our sliced carrots and zucchini. Add it and then let it cook again for about 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook your carrots and zucchini. And then taste for the salt and the seasoning cube if it's okay. If it's not okay, you could add a little bit more, and about 1 tablespoon of butter at the end. And there you go, fam. Our bolognese sauce is ready. You can choose to serve it over the spaghetti or mix the spaghetti with the bolognese sauce. Once you've served your spaghetti, go ahead and garnish it with some basil and some Parmesan cheese. So fam, if you're not yet following Nancy's Cuisine on Instagram, I'm going to be putting my Instagram link. Go and follow Nancy's Cuisine. I'm going to be announcing a giveaway in the weeks ahead. Thank you so much, family, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.